Cheers! I'm Bern Melnick from The Ohio State University. I have long had a philosophy: in God we trust, but everybody else better bring evidence or data to the table. It now still takes 15 years to translate best evidence from research into clinical practice to improve care and outcomes. We have buttons here that say, because we've always done it that way, with a slash through it, because we must stop doing physical assessment the way we've always done it. We know when we perform evidence-based physical assessment, our patient outcomes will be so much better. Our book brings you the best and latest evidence for how to approach physical exam, history taking, and your own well-being.
This book means so much to us as educators and as clinicians. And the story as to how the book came about is, one day I was thinking how much time is wasted learning physical assessment techniques that are never used in clinical practice. And this got me thinking, what is the evidence behind some of these techniques that we're teaching students? And it led us on this journey to find out what is supported by the evidence. And who knew that many of our standard exam techniques are not supported by the evidence? For example, auscultating for bowel sounds, not evidence-based. Doing a fundoscopic exam in primary care, not evidence-based. So if you're interested in learning more, consider our book, Evidence-Based Physical Examination, Best Practices for Health and Wellbeing Assessment.
I'm Alice Teal, and as a nurse educator, a clinician, and a wellness coach, I recognize the importance of being both evidence-based and holistic. Our textbook teaches the techniques that you need to really understand a person's wellness from a holistic perspective, but also goes through each body system so that you'll understand the evidence related to how to do an assessment within that system. We invite you to learn to be both evidence-based and holistic.